Hi cuties! Today I'm in Christchurch, New Zealand. And this is the place I'm staying at. It's super cozy and peaceful. I love how bright and quiet it feels. Stepped outside, and it's already so peaceful. Right across the street, there's a local market, so I'm heading there to get some lunch. Outside there were so many people, just sitting and enjoying their lunch. This is Riverside Market, a local spot with all kinds of food. Everything looked so good. I didn't even know what to choose. I brought my food back. Walking back across the river, the water, the trees, the greenery. It was all so beautiful.
This is our lunch, sushi and sandwich. Now I'm going to try sushi. Wow, this is so big. Let's try salmon. Good. This is the sandwich. Balsamic flavor. Balsamic with tomato and meat. Tastes so good.
After lunch, I decided to go to the Botanical Gardens. The first thing I saw was the river. It's the Avon River, and it runs right through the city.
Oh, some people are kayaking. So many pontoon and kayaking on this river, and many ducks. Like a printing. So chill. The Botanic Garden have so many, more than 100 years tree. See, this tree is super tall. It's amazing.
then I found a garden full of roses.
Here is Rose Garden. We're in Botanic Garden now, and the Rose Garden is one of the central spots of the Botanic Garden. So many different colors, different kinds of roses. So pretty. Just opposite to the Botanic Garden is the Art Museum. Here is the inside of the art center. There are a lot of art inside. Wow, there's a church in the sky. That's amazing. Oh my god, here is a piano. The sculpture of the artist, music, and performance. Wow, somebody's playing the piano. And there are a lot of ice cream on the tree. The peaceful afternoon. People just sitting here and chill. After the art center, walking straight to the east, here is the Christchurch Cathedral made of paper. It's still under construction. Maybe next year or later can be opened.
Built after the 2011 earthquake, using cardboard tubes. It's simple, but there is something very peaceful about it.
Just next to the paper cathedral, there is a stop for the tram. If you have enough time, you can take a tram to look around the city. Keep going to the east, here is New Regent Street. A lot of Spanish style buildings. Here have a lot of restaurants, cafe, bars. Now it's in the afternoon, not many people here, but in the evening there must be a lot of people come and chill.
For dinner, a simple Chinese dinner to end the day.